Smash the like button. Let's get it. Let's go. What is up, my beautiful subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you so much for clicking on this video. But if you're new or you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing down below and make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload. Today we're doing a reaction to It's Me and My Friends TikTok Glow Up Challenge Dance Compilation. I'm gonna throw it on the screen, man. Let's go. Can't wait to see these glow ups. Alright, man. Straight to it. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, hold on. The glow up for real. Alright, let's see it. Alright, I see y'all. Starting off good. Walk it out. Walk it out. I just want to dance. Alright, man. Glow ups is good so far. Alright, man. King bodybuilder. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. My man is tall. Walk it out. Walk it out. Okay. Alright, man. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Pause it. Nah, rewind. Hold on. That was her? Nah, that gotta be somebody different. Can't be her. Let me see this. Okay. Glow up is real. Oh, glow up again. Y'all gotta let me know who's the best glow up so far. Walk it out. Walk it out. Yes, sir. Okay. Me and my friends. Yes, sir. My son hit the gym. Gains. Oh, that was him? Hold on. I seen him on TikTok before. Okay, let's see it. No way. No way. No way. I feel like girls glow up more than guys. Hold on. Y'all really don't look like y'all younger selves. Yeah, see? Grill it in. Work. It's me and my friends. Hold on, what? Walk out. Let's go. Work. Walk it out. Walk it out. Okay. Okay. Work. Walk it out. Walk out. Let's go. Yes, sir. Walk it out. Walk it out. Okay, James. Fisher pose. Grill it in. Okay, let's see it. That was a good glow up. Yeah, I feel like girls glow up way better than guys. Walk it out. Walk it out. Work. Okay, the braces. Let's see. It's me and my friends. Glow up real. Glow up real. Walk out. Let's go. Walk it out. Walk it out. Okay. Reel it in. Oh, the glow up real. All right, let's see it. Some of y'all don't look like yourselves, like y'all younger selves. Walk it out. Grill it in. It's me and my friends. We got the best glow up. Walk in, walk out. Let's go. Walk it out. Grill it in. Okay. Little Asian baby. Me and my friends. Walk in, walk out. Let's go. Work. I think everybody just know how to dress better now or something. I don't know. Fisher pose, grill it in. Okay, let's see it. Okay. It's me and my friends. I think people just take a lot more better pictures. I don't know. Walk out, let's go. Ooh, okay, the true glow up. It's me and my friends. Yeah, glowed up. Walk out, let's go. Okay, true glow up. Walk it out. Walk it out. Work. Fisher pose, grill it in. All right, let's see it, Jocelyn. It's me and my friends. Yes, sir. Walk out, let's go. Hey, walk it out. Coco. Walk it out. Coco glowed up. Grill it in. It's me and my friends. All right, let's see India. Yes, sir. She glowed up. Walk out, let's go. Hey, walk it out. Walk it out. Jada. Fisher pose, grill it in. Oh, look at that baby.
It's me and my friends.
When y'all put the baby pictures, like the baby pictures, not really glowing up, I don't think,
Walk
because
out,
like
let's go. Fisher
I need the
pole, reel
ugly
it in.
stage and then the glow up stage.
It's me and my friends. Walk in, walk out, let's go.
Okay.
Hey,
My son had
walk
the
it
braces,
out.
braces.
Walk it out. It in.
Word.
It's me and my friends. Walk in, walk out, let's go. Hey, walk it out. Walk it out.
Alright, you guys, if you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate you. Let me know in the comment section down below who glowed up the best. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate you so much. Make sure you check out these two videos and click on my face to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to check out my channel for more reactions like this. And with that being said, remember to be yourself. Don't change for no one. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.